Hey, fellow developers! In this tutorial, we are going to build a tweet sentiment analyzer by taking the help of DVCLive. First, we would need to install DVC. We would also need to install the DVC VS Code extension. Now we will move ahead and create a new DVC project and install the required libraries. We will be using the Twitter Financial News Sentiment Dataset. The dataset has tweets and labels for positive, neutral, and negative sentiment. 0 is for negative, 1 for neutral, and 2 for positive. Now let's download a pre-trained model from Huggingface and fine-tune the model on this Twitter dataset. We will freeze the base layers and define the training arguments. We would now need to define the trainer and add the DVCLive callback to track our experiment. Let's start training. This is how we can see our training epics in the DVC VS Code extension. Let us test the fine-tuned model on a custom tweet. Yes, it is labeled 2, that is positive sentiment. Now we train a different model and compare it with the previous model's training. We just need to change the model name to initialize it. Define a new trainer and train this new model. We can see live how this new model performs in training compared to the previous model easily. It is this effortless to track the different models and experiments using DVCLive.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, DV. And feel free to post comments and questions below. Beyond our tools themselves, we have many resources for you on your ML journey. Visit our docs, our blog for tutorials, our YouTube channel, our Discord server for support and community, and our free online course. You can find all the links to these resources in the description. Thanks for making it to the end. DV and I will see you in the next video.